Hi everyone, I'm Jemima Damina. I'm a filmmaker.
Hi, I am Justimil Damina and I am a screenplay writer.
And I'm Jael Damina, but you may know me better as Olive from Neptune 3's best friends in the world.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
We created this video specifically to say thank you to our 100,000 plus subscribers. Thanks to you, we received the silver play button from YouTube to mark this achievement.
We created Neptune 3 Studios with a mission to tell wholesome stories the whole family can enjoy. And from the response we've gotten so far, we can tell that with each post, we're getting better at achieving our goal.
We are grateful to everyone who's liked, shared, and commented on our videos. As an independent studio, you, our viewers, are all we have. So we depend on you to spread the word. And you never know, someone might be touched by one of our stories.
If you love Best Friends in the World and are wondering how you can be part of making this magic happen, well, stay tuned because very soon we'll be uploading a video that tells you how you can sponsor our project with any amount you have to spare.
Our next goal is the gold play button. Hey, you can help us reach this goal by recommending our channel to friends and family or encouraging someone you know to subscribe. And if you're one of our regular viewers and you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that button now. It's not just a button to us, it is so much more, so hit it.
Go on, we're waiting. And while you're subscribing, here are some of the highlights from our time at YouTube Week Nigeria.
You might also want to subscribe to our personal YouTube, Triple J Plus. We're preparing some brand new content for you, and if you like what we've done with Neptune 3, then you wouldn't want to miss this. So subscribe via the link on the screen or via the link in the description box.
Thank you so much for your time. We hope you continue to support us as we continue to create wholesome content for you and for the rest of the world to enjoy.
We'll see you again soon. Bye.